Today let's detox our bodies with this simple, satisfying, super healthy millets khichdi with cucumber raita. This is basically Barley Khichdi, also known as Jockey Khichdi. Hi guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon in order to get the notification right away when I post a recipe. I've taken 1 cup of barley. This is basically broken barley or barley daliya or joka daliya. To this, I'm going to add half cup of split moong lentils or moong dal. Now the very first step is to wash it thoroughly. So take some water in a bowl and rub and wash them until we start getting clear water. As you can see, this water is so white in color, so we need to wash it at least 2 to 3 times until we get clear water. Then here I'm chopping 1 carrot and handful of spinach. So guys, you can add whatever vegetables you have, like you can add bell peppers, cauliflower, broccoli, squash, green peas, any veggie of your choice. Also, I have roughly chopped half tomato here. Now take a pressure cooker and add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it change the color. Then add half teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's it, no need to add any further spices. Now add tomatoes and saute for a few seconds. Then add in chopped carrots and spinach here. Stir everything together. Then add salt as per your taste. Mix it and add at least 2 glasses of water. Now, you can adjust the water as per your preference. Add more water if you want that flowy and semi-solid khichdi and less water if you like dry one. Then close the lid, lock it and wait for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, simmer the gas and let it cook for 10 more minutes if you want that mushy, flowy khichdi. Meanwhile, let's prepare our cucumber raita. So here I've taken 1 cucumber and I'll start off with chopping out its crown area. Rub it rigorously for 15 to 20 seconds in order to get rid of its bitterness. Then peel it properly from all the sides and wash it under running water. Then take a grater and grate it nicely. Once done, dump all the grated cucumber in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Simple homemade curd will also do the job. Then stir and mix it well. Then add salt as per your taste, roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Now for me it's perfect, but if you want you can add half cup of water at this stage and that's it. Our yummy and healthy cucumber raita is ready. Alright, now let's take a look at our khichdi. Look at that. This ultimate healthy and detox bowl of khichdi is absolutely ready. So add a spoonful of ghee and serve it hot. Whenever you feel bloated, full, suffering from indigestion, just eat this khichdi and you'll be sorted. So that's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the recipe helpful. Bye.